Hello and welcome to Frightfully Forgotten Brews. And today we are drinking Captain Howdy's Black Bile. Of course, inspired by The Exorcist, the demon aptly named as Captain Howdy.
Yeah.
Captain Howdy told me.
Or Pazuzu 100 times in the second one. Ugh.
So this is actually a beer I've been working on a yearly basis. I kind of do this brew and tweak it every year around Halloween. Kind of been meant every year to try to get as close as I can as to the Black Witch Porter by Witchwood Brewery.
Right.
Out in the UK.
It's hard.
Yeah, and that's a great beer. Here is my recipe for Captain Howdy's Black Bile, which of course is a black porter or stout. It is 3 pounds Crystal 120, 6 pounds 2-row pale, 1 pound Flaked Oats, and 1 pound of Black Malt.
Ooh.
Which is how you get that super black.
Yeah. Without that heavy roast taste.
Yeah. For hops, very simple. 1 ounce of Challenger at the start of the boil, and 1 ounce of Fuggles at flame out. So very British.
Yeah.
So just a 5.13% beer. And it's black enough to be coughing up some bile the next morning.
And to be cast out.
Yeah.
I cast you out, unclean spirit. That's what we doing when you have too many.
Yeah.
At the toilet. I cast you out. You know, doing the cross thing after. Oh.
So if you're in for a night for some demonic possession, brew a Captain Howdy's Black Bile Stout.
Oh yeah.